This is a set of 3 European glass stemmed hurricanes. The smallest one is 11 inches tall. There's a medium one that is 13 inches tall and a large one that is 15 inches tall. These are great for using to display any kind of object you'd like to have on your table or on a mantle or somewhere else in your house. We've used them. We've only used one of them. The smallest one is what we used. And I put a candle in it in the fireplace and on the mantle, and then also used it at the holidays to display ornaments. These are great, like I said, for displaying, and hope you enjoy them.
Comes in the original box.
Why are you continuing to record?
Okay, well, there's a picture of the smallest one outside of the box, and as you see, it's 11 inches. And you should buy this fine product.